Tell me what brought you in originally.
So I can't remember the last time that I was able to actually breathe through my nose. It always felt like I didn't know that was something that people could do. And the more I thought about it, the more I talked with doctors, they mentioned that's not normal. That's not something that most people are able to breathe through their nose. So I did some research, looked up my insurance, in-network, reviews, and I found Dr. Carniol's office, came in for the consultation, hoping that I would be told that I wasn't crazy. And through the consultation process, Dr. Carniol was great in helping me understand exactly what was going on inside my nose and letting me know that there was a deviated septum in there, which is why I couldn't breathe through my nose to begin with.
What surgery did you have, if you want to share?
I got the deviated septum fixed, and there were a few other pieces to that surgery too that helped me breathe a little bit better out of the bottom pieces of my nostrils. I also had some turbinates up top. I learned what those were through this process and was able to get those reduced just to help both of my airways really get the maximum amount of airflow that they could. Also got a minor rhinoplasty to the outside of my nose, still keeping everything about my nose, kind of the integrity of it, but just giving a little bit of slimming to the sides and the bottom part of it.
And how was the first week of recovery?
The first week it was a little rough. I sat up a lot. It was a lot of rinses, and it was a lot of just being very gentle and very caring with my face and with my body. But I was given all the tools that I needed, all the descriptions of what to expect, everything that I needed. So I felt very comfortable with the process. I felt like I understood exactly where we were going with everything. And at the end, it was worth it.
How you're breathing and now how you're feeling with your nose. Yeah.
Everything feels great right now. I can breathe through both of my nostrils completely fine. I can close my mouth and breathe. It has been a lot of time and just rewiring of how I was breathing for the last 25 years. So I can breathe 100% through my nose now, which is amazing. The recovery has been well worth it.
Any advice that you would give a friend who's thinking about having rhinoplasty, minor rhinoplasty, deviated septum surgery?
I would say my recommendation would be just go have the conversation. I waited a long time thinking that what I was feeling was completely normal, and it wasn't. So I think just taking the first step of talking to someone about it, especially a doctor who knows what they're talking about, is the best way to get started if you're even considering anything that you want to have done to your nose. It's worth just getting it out there and seeing what someone says in return.